Hello dear friends, this video is not meant for promotions. This is not for commercial purposes. This video is coming to you just to be a voice of support for your state that you are in. We all understand that the stress that you had in the months of April, May, June, July was during the beginning of your preparation. The stress you had in the month of November and December was about the uncertainty of the exams. The stress you had last week was about not knowing when the exams would be, whether your preparations will actually evaporate into thin air. But now the stress is different because the challenge has come to your doorstep. You all understand there is a particular target that you have to hit. 18th April is the D-Day. You all are trying to gear yourself up, but many of you would not be knowing where to start and when to start. Always remember, when in doubt, start with baby steps. Start with whatever you feel comfortable with. Read pages by pages, step by step, line by line. Put your head together, put your foot on the ground and tell yourself you are going to spend every single awakened minute right now to be the best of the use. Why? Because you may actually win or not win if you try. But when you don't try, the chances of winning is absolutely nil, isn't it? So you are getting yourself a chance to try for the exams. How do you try? Please stick to your strengths. Try to make your weaknesses become no weaknesses anymore. How can that happen? Try to read as many number of hours as possible without breaking your sleep. The best advice I can give you is study immediately after you wake up from your bed. Do not brush your teeth. No matter how ugly you look like or how bad you smell, it doesn't matter. Just pick up your book and start reading. The first 1 hour that you read after you wake up will be the best amount of information that gets into your mind. And whenever you feel sleepy, do not worry about anything. Please sleep. Don't have alarms to wake you up so that in the middle of the sleep, you will not be able to study with your happiness. So please eat, sleep, and then again read and repeat. When you keep doing this for the next 2.5 months, nobody can stop you from being a winner. Of course, yes, there are many people who are doing the same thing. But what is the one thing that I would request you to do? As you keep studying, please test yourself. Assessment is as important as studying. And how do you assess yourself? Whatever the kind of materials you have, whatever the apps you have downloaded, whatever the resources you are depending on, who are the faculty you learn from, it doesn't matter. Just make sure you revise what you have learned from the past. But for revision, spend only 60% of your time. The remaining 40% of your time every single day, spend it on assessing whether you learnt the topic very well by solving as many MCQs as possible. Newer and newer types of MCQs and patterns can emerge, but ultimately they are going to be MCQs. So on that particular basis, solve MCQs every single day. Keep a target of 100 to 200 MCQs of being solved every single day. That will take up more than 4 to 5 hours. So if that 4 to 5 hours is going to be your 40%, decide how much should be the 60% for your theory. With that particular basis and calculation, you will be on top. And I'm telling you, I'm going to pray for your success. All the faculty here will be praying for your success and you will be successful. Never have any doubts in your success because self-doubt is the first step towards failure. Whatever you do it with utmost confidence and we all will always be here to succeed you and help you in your success. All the very best.